Miles an hour and the power now a real concern. Meteorologist Rob Marciano in Boston tonight, where authorities are urging everyone to take these blizzard warnings seriously.
Tonight, blizzard warnings posted from New Jersey.
How did we get here? The blizzard. I wonder if I'm prepared. Why did I buy biscuits and olives only? It's a blizzard. I should have listened. God damn it. No toilet paper. That could be very dangerous. Well, at least there's always enough Adam Sandler movies to make it through the storm. What? No! I guess it's just a matter of waiting for the blizzard.